Have you ever imagined building a complete website and marketing plan, all with the help of a single AI agent? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, step by step using MGX.dev, the ultimate all-in-one AI platform for website creation, research, and planning. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we explored the deep research mode, which gave us a full, in-depth report on OpenAI Sora 2 Pro. Now that MGX.dev has completed all the detailed research, it's time to take things to the next level by turning that research into a fully functional website. So let's see how it works. First, you'll need to mention your team members. For example, I'll add Mike as the team leader. Next, I'll type a simple command like create a website. Right after that, MGX.dev will begin generating a complete, ready-to-use website based on the research results. Just wait a few seconds, and there you go. Your entire website is ready. You can preview it right away, and it automatically includes all the important sections like About, Portfolio, Services, and Contact, all beautifully designed and fully responsive. You can view it in both desktop and mobile mode, download the files, or copy the entire code, all with just one click. If you want to make edits, it's super easy. Just click Publish to make it live, or Edit to update any section instantly. You can even share your website directly on Instagram, TikTok, X, Twitter, and many other platforms, or simply export it for later use. Now let's move on to one of my favorite features, the race mode. To try it out, just enable race mode and enter a new prompt. For example, I'll type, generate a 3D content plan for LinkedIn to promote a startup, hit generate, and MGX.dev will start processing. It might take a little time, but that's because it's running multiple AI engines at the same time, like DeepSeek, GPT-5, Claude Sonnet, and Qwen 3 Coder Plus, all competing with each other to deliver the best possible output. Once the race is complete, you'll get to choose which result you like the most. For example, I really like the one from Qwen 3 Coder Plus, so I'll select it and click I'm loving this one to confirm. MGX.dev will then update the page automatically, and after a few seconds, you'll see a complete, detailed plan based on your prompt. If you want to go even deeper, you can mention your team member again, like Mike, and enter another command such as show everything in detail. The AI will then generate a more comprehensive version with additional insights, which will appear on the left side of your dashboard as a new file. So in short, deep research mode helps you explore and understand any topic in depth, while race mode allows multiple AI agents to compete and deliver the most creative, optimized, and detailed results. With MGX.dev, you can build websites, create research reports, and generate full marketing plans, all from a single text prompt. Visit MGX.dev. Build smarter with AI. Click the link in the description, try it out yourself, and see how powerful this AI really is. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore MGX.dev today.